Hey, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets, and these are 20 best Android apps to start your 2021 with. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. First up, we have Audials. For the hunt of content in this boring lockdown, I've listened to a lot of podcasts. Usually I used to watch it on YouTube, but I couldn't get a lot of variety. But this app here called Audials gives you podcasts based on almost any category you want, and there are a lot to choose from, like comedy, business, politics, and more. You can also listen to the radio, be it national or international. Plus you also get to see which are popular than others, choose genres, and even see top artists. On your homepage, you get to see suggestions based on your watch history and get the top podcasts and radio stations for easy access. In the music section, you can listen to your music or recordings from your library directly in this app. So no need to even open your music app. All your daily podcast or music listening sessions can be easily enjoyed in this app itself, so do check it out. Next up, we have Friendspire. Right after the lockdown hit, things got pretty boring, and I'm sure a lot of you were out looking for movies and TV series to watch. But googling everything and finding recommendations can be time consuming. So this app here basically recommends you movies, TV series, books, podcasts, and even foods and drinks according to your taste. So what makes this app truly unique and easy to use is that you can save your recommendations for later and give reviews so that your next recommendation is tailored. Moreover, you can also create your own list for any of the categories so that others can see it. And lastly, you can find people with the same taste as you and follow them to get more recommendations. Overall, I found this app really handy, especially during this ongoing situation around the world. Next up, we have Climacell. Climacell Weather Assistant is an incredibly versatile weather app. It comes with a full variety of useful features for your weather needs. Firstly, in addition to the standard information on weather conditions, such as temperature, rainfall predictions, and wind conditions, the app also comes with the functionality that informs its users of risks present on roads and fire hazards within specifically chosen areas. Not only does the app let you plan your day, but it also helps you keep you safe. All in all, for your daily weather needs, this is the perfect app. Next up, we have Dusk KWGT widget. KWGT is a custom widget maker app where you can create your own widget or download from tons of themes available on the Play Store. So this one right here is a recent favorite. It's called the Dusk pack, and with this you get different layouts and designs. Choose the one you like and add it to your home screen. You can interact with the widget as well as get info about weather, battery percentage, to-do list, and many more. It's elegant, minimal, stylish, yet functional, so do give it a try. Next up, we have Photoshop Camera. This is not just a camera app. Yes, you can take pictures, but the catch is there's this thing called lenses, from which you can try out different effects before taking a picture, as you can see here. Else you can just take pictures and then move on to editing right on this app. It offers one-tap auto edit, which works amazingly. Furthermore, you also get all the editing tools to enhance your pictures, and it's handy and fun to use as well. Next up, we have Ultimate Facts. The name itself is self-explaining. But what this app really does is it basically shows you facts. But rather than showing you random facts, you get to customize your feed. You can choose from given categories as per your interest. You can choose the number of facts you want to learn per day, configure timings, and you're good to go. The Pro version also allows you to listen to detailed narration about the fact. Next up, we have Ink Hunter. This app uses augmented reality to project different types of tattoos. As you can see here, you get lots of different types of tattoo designs. You can select the type of tattoo you like and then click a picture right from this app to place the tattoo virtually. Once done, you can adjust it to see whether it suits you or not. This app is quite handy, especially if you're thinking of getting a tattoo. Next up, we have One-Hand Operation. As the name implies, this app makes maneuvering easy with bigger displays. As phones are getting bigger and bigger, this app allows you to add gestures to the left and right side of your screen to control various actions on your phone. From the app, you can customize your left and right hand to suit your needs and functions. You can also customize the trigger, width size, position, etc. Next up, we have WannaKicks. Now this is one of my recent favorites. It uses AR for you to try out different sneakers, as you can see here. From here, you can select from a variety of shoes or sneakers. All you need to do is to select the shoe you like and you can see how it looks on you. This is a really cool implementation of AR. Moreover, you can even move around to check the view from different angles, so an amazing app for shoe lovers. Next up, we have MoStory. These days, every app allows you to add story or mini videos on your social medias. This app helps you to up your social media game with various templates to suit your need, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and whatnot. Choose the template you like or that suits your need and start working on it. You can create attractive and elegant looking stories from this app. Next up, we have SpaceX Go. For people interested in SpaceX rocket launches and space, this app helps you know about the vehicles, launches, and the launch history of SpaceX. You can even check upcoming launches and plans for space exploration from SpaceX, and along with that you get vehicle details, company details, etc. SpaceX is one of those companies which everybody's looking forward to in this decade, be it to explore tourism, exploration, and what Elon Musk is up to. Next up, we have BuildCores. This is an amazing app for PC enthusiasts or anyone wanting to build a PC or wants to compare various parts and components to know the details about it. So to create a build, just tap here, name it, and start selecting your components as you can see here. Once you are done, you get details about the pricing, where to buy it, and also the compatibility, which is amazing. Furthermore, you can see the benchmarks and performance chart about various components, which is really handy. Overall, it's a very handy app right now, right when Nvidia and AMD has announced their new cards and everyone is out trying to build a PC. Next up, we have PowerAmp Equalizer. PowerAmp Equalizer is an advanced audio processing app based on PowerAmp Player, with many features and options from the original app built in. It has a lot of user-defined presets, plus it can be assigned per specific device. The bass and treble controls are pretty powerful, and it's also got a limiter and compressor setting, and many more tuning controls that help you find the sweet spot of your audio. Next up, we have Crispr. Crispr, as the name suggests, will bring up crisp images, illustrations, and collections that can be used on various projects like backgrounds for different representations, designing ideas, or even as a wallpaper. All these images are royalty-free and are really high quality. The good thing about this app is you can also edit these images to play around with colors for ideas. It's a very useful app if you're into designing or social media management. Next up, we have Ratio Launcher. Ratio organizes your app in a very systematic manner. It categorizes your apps into drawers. Inside every drawer, there are few apps which look like tiles. You can also check your weather or search something with the search engine option. You can configure the route from your Ratio settings, and you can keep the ones you need and remove the ones you don't. Just long press on any app tile and check the usage and do other settings too. Moreover, you can change the appearance of the tile and also change the way you use your apps. Overall, it's a perfect app for people who are looking for a minimal experience without compromising with the UI. Next up, we have Esound. If you're looking for a free music streaming app, this is one of the best options out there. As you can see here, you've got your top playlists, daily mixes, global ranking, and different categories right on the home page, making it easier to stream the type of music you want to listen. Furthermore, you can also create your own playlist and search for songs as well as genres right on this app. Next up is Walpix. This is a wallpaper app, and the reason this app is on the list is because this app has some amazing wallpapers as you can see here. You can download or directly set the image as wallpaper from the app itself, and at the bottom you have some details about the image and its resolution. Apart from the hole punch wallpapers, they also offer various other categories like abstract aerial, AMOLED, food, landscape, and so much more to cover your interest. Next up, we have Dolby On. This app basically enhances your audio while recording audio or videos from this app. It auto-analyzes the ambient noise and then starts the recording. Once you are done, it auto-processes the audio and the difference is massive. Same goes with video. Next up, we have Liquid Teardown. Liquid Teardown is a clean and simple app that lets you charge your phone with style. You get an inside look at your phone's internals, all while being able to get a quick look at how much your battery is charged. It already has a wide range of phones available, but more are planning to come with app updates.